Hello, Dhruv bhai.
Yeah,
I think we are facing some network issue or maybe data issue, but you can continue. Okay.
yeah. I think okay, okay, we can. Okay, so am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay, so let me keep some points, and if it will work, then we will continue. Okay, so according to me, I think in a September we have both examination, JEE and NEET. I think on 13th of September we have NEET examination and JEE examination from 1st September to 6th September. So it is a very great exam, or it is a very important exam for all those students who were waiting for so long time. They have been doing their preparation for for more than 1 and 2 years. So this is a great chance for them. Now they can't uh, leave it, or they can't miss this chance. Just because after March it has in their hand that they are able to give their examination. So now as we all know, now we have admit card. I think on 18th of August we have admit card of JEE mains and also NEET. I don't know about NEET, but yeah, I think we have they have released the admit card of both examination. So what can we do now? So I think if we are going to give any examination, more our parents will have a problem. I mean, they will worry about us, and it is genuine. It is very very natural that just because in this pandemic situation, no, we don't know who people are affected from this COVID-19. So maybe there are chances to get affected for all the people, right? That's why it is a genuine problem for our parents. But still, if we have to make our career, and if we have to get admission in a college, now we need to learn. Now we have to learn that how to live with this pandemic, and that we are doing by uh, opening some shops, and also we can see we can go easily market. But along with that, we need some precautions. We still need some more and more precautions, like social distancing and also using mask. These are some essential that no matter you are going market or not, or if you are going your friend's house, you have to use these kind of things. So as I'm telling, we also need to learn, but with that learning we also need some precautions. So as a student, definitely, if I'll have a chance to give my examination, definitely I will go. I won't leave it just because I worked so hard for it. Okay. And I'm very very maybe optimistic way, I'm telling the government and a person who, or a authority who is conducting the examination of JEE and NEET, they have given the center of that particular student in their proper district or proper block. So this is how at least they don't have any transport problem. The main and the major problem is transport problem. Some people can arrange, but not all the people. And we know if there will be a kind of transport system and there are so many students, then there will be again more and more chances to get affected with the COVID-19. And if we are going another place, so definitely a person, they will also come from another district. And we know, like in my district we don't have more than 400 cases, but at the same time in MP, you will find more than 10,000 cases in particular district. So it depends district to district. That's why it will be very, very good if they have given all those students and all those people examination center in their block and under the district. Okay. If not possibility of block, so definitely they have to give on district. And I want to say all the students that don't worry about that. It's okay. We know we have pandemic, but also we need to give us some examination. So as government, they have taken a step. They have taken this step forward towards entrance examination. So maybe definitely they might have think a lot about it. That's why they have taken such decision. UGC also, and education minister and system, they all have taken a decision on the basis of everything they have, I think, contemplate all the situation that what can be happen. So it's okay, it's all right. I think according to me, we need to go, in an examination center, but with precautions, with some more precautions, and like a mask especially. Also try to keep a social distancing. They will help you, examiner who will be in that center. Maybe they have such kind of guidelines that you have to keep a sanitizer and a mask. If any student don't have, to you have to provide them. But still it is again our responsibility as a citizen. So this is how we will also keep our family out of that COVID-19.
Okay, Dhrubai. Okay, I
Yeah.
think you have covered all the point which is required to know about this topic. Okay, just I want to put up some point. Actually, some day ago, Supreme Court also mentioned in their verdict that we can't ruin the career of the student because they are preparing for a long time. And if you are going to speak the examination, they have to wait for 1 year or more year also. So we do not interested to postpone this examination. I think this decision, which is taken by Supreme Court, that was a really great decision. But today, I was watching a news channel, I think Aaj Tak, and they have conducted a webinar regarding this topic. I have seen many students are not in favor of conducting examination. Actually, I'm not getting why, because you have mentioned very good point. Suppose I am preparing for NEET and JEE examination. So I think this is for me, this is for my career also, because if I have prepared 1 year, then how I can think this would be destroyed, because I have to appear in paper. So also, just we can consider some example. Before that, in month of June, already some government has conducted examination for intermediate and high school. If they conduct the examination of high school intermediate, then why not JEE or NEET? Why students are opposing this? I am not getting. I am not getting any valid point, because you have mentioned that suppose you have to appear in a NEET examination, definitely you will go for examination, because this is
Yeah.
correct time for your career, and also you can decide your future. But suppose you are going to skip your examination, means you are going to at least destroy 1 year, because you have prepared for that. And
Exactly.
many students are asking for direct admission. Why they are asking for
Mm-hmm.
direct application? Maybe they are fearing for to be fail in the competition examination, because when you are going to qualify this type of competition, means you are going
Mm-hmm.
to take admission in some very good college and good institute. Now, what happens? Sometimes there are many students. We can, I think, see many examples where a student has scored 80%, 90% in intermediate and high school, but they are not able to crack JEE and NEET examination. But those type of students also very much interested to direct admission. May they are thinking they can take admission in good college due to their number. But this is not a good way, because we have to find out some good talent, because in future you are going to be an engineer and doctor. So we can't
Mm-hmm.
select. So I think this whatever decision taken by government, that is a very good decision. And if these students
Yeah.
would follow that decision, only we have to follow some precaution, as like sanitizing your hand, wearing mask, and making physical distance. Because government has also
Yeah.
mentioned, if you are going to conduct the examination, please try to follow all the rules and regulations which is
Mm-hmm.
provided by ICMR, as by making social distancing and sanitizing mask. So I think, because when you are going to see statistical data, some day ago in
Mm-hmm.
UP, B.Ed examination was conducted. Near about 38,000 candidates appeared in that examination. Only one case of COVID-19 was found. Okay, only one case. I think that is
Yeah.
nothing if you're going to compare. And
Exactly.
also, Delhi government, Rajasthan government has conducted, intermediate and high school examination. No case was found. So then why we are so much fearing,
Mm-hmm.
and why students are just opposing and parents are also opposing? Please do not conduct. Why parents are not thinking you have already invested, uh, lakh of near about
Yeah.
lakh rupee money in coaching institute. Then why
Mm-hmm.
you are just running
Yeah.
behind now? This is time to show your talent. One thing also, during the lockdown, I have seen
Exactly.
many students are just leave the coaching and leave the quota.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking
Yeah.
that time you were in quota only for preparation of NEET and JEE examination. So I think this is best time. because you have no any type of disturbance, you have some very
Exactly.
life, you can prepare, but they are just assuming
Yeah.
everything is going to be cancer and we can get direct admission, we can promote in. So I think that is not good thing. My thinking is that whatever government has taken decision, that is good. And
Exactly.
because if we're going to take some good decision, there are many people who are going to oppose it. So that is a different thing, because
Mm-hmm.
every coin has two
Yeah.
sides. Some body will be support and some will be opposed. Because today I was watching a news channel where a debate is going on this particular topic. There are many leaders who are opposing this, and there are many also supporting this. But I am
Mm-hmm.
in support, because
Supporting.
if we have to live with corona. This is not going to be end in one
Mm-hmm.
month, 2 months. Suppose just take just
Yeah.
assume, suppose within 2 years this is not going to happen. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then what you will do? You will destroy your 2 years. You run your 2 years. I think this is not a good idea. Good
Exactly.
idea. Students should appear in the examination, because this is a very good time. Okay, so this is my thinking.
Yeah, yeah. They
So
must, you know,
yes, now you
they
can add up.
must.
Yeah.
Some, yeah, some student think just because maybe, and parents, some parents, they don't have problem about money. That's why they can say. But just imagine, if you are not going to give your examination, the same point that you made, you have to wait, and still we are late. Still we are so late. Just imagine, now you will give your examination. The result will be come after 2 and 3 months. Then your another exam and then admission. So you are already 1 year just late. So it will take a more time to get admission than uh, government need. Then maybe government needs some new kind of guidelines. Maybe 1 year courses will be in a concise, and it will be in a 9 months, 7 months. So you have to whatever you are going to do, whatever you want, you have to bear all the consequences, every kind of consequences. And a person who are idle and they are telling, I'm not going to give exam, or I don't want, just, yeah, this is the one of the major reason. Maybe most of the students, they have quit their study, or maybe just because of disconsistency, they thought maybe, or it is not possible to take examination in the time of COVID-19 period. So that kind of student is still, they didn't prepare also at the time of March. And if you will take example of a quota student, or a student who are just, who were doing their preparation for JEE mains. So lockdown occurred at the same time when across the date of JEE mains and NEET, like maybe in March. So I think a student a student who wanted to get admission in IIT and NIT, they have already prepared well. That's because it has occurred in a March. So your whole coaching classes, maybe after Feb, I mean up to Feb, they complete their courses up to Feb, maybe in a January. They just complete, and only the revision part and practice part. So most of the students, they already have completed their syllabus. So it is not about worrying to those students that just because I quit my coaching, it is not possible for me to get good marks. So what have you done entire year? That's because it was exactly time of that JEE main. So okay, we can consider just because we are at home, so sometimes we are disconsistent, but it is happening with every people. It is not happening with you only. All this, every single student, they are going through from same situation. In which boat you are, all these students are in the same boat. You don't need to worry about that. Only what they can do, they can revise. And and even if either they are complaining about it, or whether they are accepting it or not, if now there is a admit card, and somehow if there will be no any more cases like the current situation is going on, if the situation will be same, definitely exam is going to held. Okay, no one can stop. So it is a totally baseless thinking in the mind of a student, especially just because in a examination hall, students have to perform, not neither the parents, not any other people. So they are no one to comment. I think as a student, or if a student who is going to give their examination, they need a kind of mental balance. they have only option, either they can complain about it, or they can go, they can revise their syllabus and they can perform better. Okay, so they don't need to make any argument about it just because they don't have option now. So
Okay.
definitely.
Okay, Dhruv bhai, also you have mentioned a very good point, because government is going to organize examination, you know, some very good places. At least student can reach their center, because during the lockdown, government has decided to make center in every big district, so they can,
In their,
arrange many
yeah.
student, and I think a student is not going to face any problem. If they are interested, they
Mhm.
should attempt the examination, because we know there is some problem, we can't deny this, because this is a very pandemic situation, maybe some person can be affected, this is true, but
Mhm.
but if you are thinking, then how we are going to live our life, because government has already mentioned कि now this is time we have to live with coronavirus virus, and now many people are
Yeah.
just living now, because you can take example of myself. Since 2 months I am going to my office, means I am living with coronavirus. If I am going to afraid from that, so how I can survive? And also many organization is functioning now, as you can take example of many factories, many offices, many, everything is open now, only 2 or 3 things has been closed, till closed. And also government is going to plan, open the school and colleges in maybe in September, mid September, and maybe end of September they are going to open it. If government is planning, so I think taking examination is not a big deal. We can conduct this, because
Exactly.
we have already conducted some examination. I have told
Hmm.
in my speech, I like a B.Ed examination, high school, intermediate, but actually, I am not getting a proper reason to why parents are so fearing of coronavirus, because uh,
Mhm.
we are there are many people who are following all the rules and guidelines. As you can take example of Amitabh Bachchan, there are many guys, there are many ministers, but they are getting affected. So I think only try to follow some guidelines, so you can avoid the COVID-19, and every student should attempt the examination, because this is a
Exactly.
golden chance. If you are not going to attempt this, so you are going to uh, ruin your 1 year, and that is a great time. That 1 year is not a less time, because 1 year can
Yeah.
decide your future, as your everything, because we are already
Exactly.
5 months late. Generally, conduction
Mhm.
of examination of NEET and JEE happened in May or June, something like that. Now this is September. Already we are 3 to 4 months late. So actually, I have no any
And
proper what we should.
yeah, and it is also a question about all the youth. We are a youth country. Many students, they are studying, and so many students, just because of this lockdown, few students, they are preparing well, they are doing what they're supposed to do, but most of the youth, they are just most of the youth, they wasted their time and they become idle. That's why some student wants, I don't want to give my examination. But just think about that. It's only been a 4 month and they become idle. So if it will extend, don't you think they will become more idle? Then what? At least now they have option to regain their efficiency, and what they're supposed to do they can do. But if it will be more than a year, they will become totally idle and baseless, and their mind, if they are not doing by themselves. So it is a good idea to start any examination. At least a sense of responsibility they will think. Even a person who is preparing for other competitive exams like bank, SSC, and UPSC, so they have at least a vision. Okay, now if JEE and NEET, they can conduct exams, so definitely my exam also after few months, or after after 2 and 3 months. But that definitely they will also take initiative, they will also take a step towards preparation. But this is how the youth will engage again in working, so that's why it is very, very important.
Dhruv bhai, I think there are very few students who are opposing of this, because government also know you are going through pandemic situation, and government has also decided. I think government is well known about this situation, but they don't
Yeah.
want to ruin their career. And only few students, I have seen many articles in newspaper. Currently, I'm living in Bikaner. In Bikaner, there is a very big university, that is Maharaja Ganga Singh University. That is a government university. Daily, I seen only 5 to 6 students are just opposing the conduction of examination. So I think this is not going to be happen, because UGC has already declared by 30 September every university has to conduct their examination. Otherwise, at least for final year it's required. And I have already tell many times I have already conducted examination in my university. Today onwards I am going to declaring the result of also. So I think this is my final point. Whatever decision government has taken regarding the examination, that is good decision. And also Supreme Court has mentioned their verdict, examination should be held. So parents and also student should accept this verdict and try to prepare and try to appear the examination. And if they are really prepared, they can crack the examination, because they have already attended the coaching and already prepared till March.
Exactly.
And I think they have some great time, if you are serious regarding your career, you can think this is a very great time, because you have no disturbance, you have to not any visit market, we have to not you have to not attend any marriage party, means you have sufficient time to prepare. I think a student who are prepared for rank 100 now, he should be able to no score within 10, because you have July, August, May, June, July, August, you
Yeah,
have
that
4
amount
months.
of time.
You
Yeah.
also get
And no
4 months.
pressure.
Yes, 4 month extra time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are going to
Exactly.
appear in exam means May, and now you are going to appear in September, means you got
September.
4 months extra time. So I think this is best for
Exactly.
you. Then why you are running away? I have no idea. Okay, Dhruv bhai, you
Yeah,
can
sure.
conclude
And
this part. Yes, you can conclude. Okay.
okay, and one point I wanted to add it, like I think some student also they want admission without entrance examination.
Yes,
So
yes.
it is not possible. First of all, it is not possible for JEE, for NEET, and for any kind of IIT or NIT colleges, because they need actual brilliant student. Brilliant student means not who can just get a good marks, 100%, 90%, 95% marks in their 12th examination. It is not very tough. I'm not telling easy, but it is not very tough to get 90% marks in their 12th examination. But definitely it is tough to crack any JEE entrance examination. That need a real hard work, that need real practice. So what about those students? Only if on the basis of marks, if they will select you, it means the hard work that they have done. Many students, they worked so hard, they don't care about the 12th mark, just because they know the importance, how much the importance of 12th marks. If they are doing practice in an exact way, they can get good marks in 12th as well as in entrance examination. So we can't compare 12th marks through entrance examination. So there is no such way. If you want admission, yeah, when it comes out to school student, college student, definitely we can promote them from first year to second year, from 10 to 11th, 11 to 12th. But when it comes about entrance examination, it is not possible. Just because only on the basis of degree, we can't give any people, selection on a college. And you also mentioned that there are few students, not more students. So also take the amount, like the numbers of students. There are lakhs of students who are going to appear for JEE examination, but how many of those will select? Just few thousand. So those few thousand are not gonna to oppose, and they will get whatever they wanted to get, and for what they worked so hard. So, and those students who are opposing, they will still oppose. Even most of them, they want to go for to give their entrance examination, no matter it's a pandemic or just before pandemic. So many students fill their examination form, but not all the person appeared in examination, and it happens in every UPSC, bank, SSC, JEE, NEET, everywhere. So we don't need to care about those students, but we need to definitely care about those who actually are serious, who actually want to do something for their state, their country, and for their world. So due to with this point, I want to conclude my
Okay,
speech.
Dhruv bhai, just I want to add up a point, because you have mentioned, you know, and also this is not justification, because without taking examination, you are going to give admission in some top-notch college as like IIT and IIM.
Yeah.
I don't think this is a good decision, and this is also not justification. Only on the basis of number you can't give admission, because I have already mentioned there are many students who scored 95% and 98% in the intermediate and high school, but they when they appeared in a competition examination, they failed. Means
Exactly.
they have scored the number anyhow. We know how examination process in India is going on. We can take example in UP also, because whatever you are going to make security or something like that, but there are some different time people who are involved in making copying and
Cheating and all the.
copying and cheating
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
So
Exactly.
by number we can't justify that it is very good or bad, because
Yeah.
this competition only a parameter to decide which type of student are
Yeah.
good and how they can get admission in IIT and AIMS, because we are talking about top ranked colleges and University of India. So I think uh, okay, thank you, Dhruv bhai, for attending this session. I think it was a really great
Yeah.
session, because you have shared so much information about conducting examination of NEET and JEE is good or bad. So thank you for attending this. Maybe tomorrow we
Thank you.
will meet again with a new topic.
Yeah.
So thank you,
Sure.
and enjoy what I say. Just enjoy and good night. Okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Good night.
Good night.